Work Truck West has spent decades helping municipalities across Canada get the trucks they need to keep essential services moving. We design, build, and deliver purpose-built municipal trucks. Every solution is tailored to the specific needs of the communities we serve. We know what works. We understand our customers' priorities and provide turnkey solutions that make the process simple, helping your teams get on the road and ready for service faster. It all starts with a conversation. Every community is different. Budgets, timelines, and challenges vary from one municipality to another. In that first discussion, we'll explore what you need your truck to do, share examples of how we've helped other municipalities, and determine the right package for you. Then comes purchasing. For many municipalities, this can feel complex. That's why we walk through it with you, step by step. Work Truck West is proud to have partnered with the Canoe Procurement Group, giving you direct access to competitive pricing without the burden of lengthy RFPs. This partnership allows us to offer complete turnkey packages, eliminating the need to wait multiple months for factory orders. If your municipality isn't part of Canoe, we can guide you through that process, or we can support you through a traditional RFP as well. Once the order has been placed, our in-house engineering team brings ideas to life by creating detailed plans and 3D renderings for your review. In the shop, design meets craftsmanship. Every truck we build is engineered for reliability and assembled by a team committed to quality at every stage. No matter where you are in Canada, we can handle the transport of your completed truck so your trucks arrive on time and ready to work. The relationship does not end at delivery. With multiple service centers across the country, we provide ongoing parts, service, and warranty support, giving our customers the confidence that they deserve. Every year, Work Truck West rolls out approximately 300 new trucks across Canada, helping municipal crews deliver critical services safely and efficiently. At Work Truck West, we don't just build trucks, we build relationships, we build solutions, and we help communities thrive.